Hey friends, Jennifer here. And today I want to talk about something we don't always laugh about, but maybe we should, our joints. Now, I don't know about you, but lately my knees have been making more sound effects than my TV remote. Every time I bent down, it was like a popcorn machine going off. My kids started calling me Snap. Crackle Pop? Cute? Sure. But try getting out of a chair in front of people while making noises louder than your grandkids. Not exactly the confidence boost I was hoping for. I used to joke that I needed WD-40 more than my squeaky front door. Gardening? Forget it. Dancing? One attempt at the cha-cha and my knees filed a formal protest. I laughed it off, but deep down, I really missed feeling free in my body. Then one day, I came across something called Joint Genesis. At first, I thought, oh great, another supplement with a fancy name. But here's what got me. It wasn't just about masking pain. It actually helps restore lubrication inside the joints. And it had ingredients I actually recognized, like hyaluronic acid for cushioning, Boswellia to calm inflammation, and ginger root, which I already love in my tea. One capsule a day, gentle on the stomach. Easy enough, right? So I gave it a shot. And let me tell you, after a few weeks, something amazing happened. The snap, crackle, and pop started to quiet down. Getting out of bed didn't feel like a gold medal event anymore. I could bend, stretch, even chase after my grandkids without sounding like a breakfast cereal commercial. My husband looked at me one morning and said, I think you've finally traded in those rusty hinges for new ones. And honestly, he was right. That moment, it felt like I had my freedom back. So if you're watching this and nodding along, maybe you're tired of the stiffness, or tired of making noises that scare the dog. Listen, you've got to try Joint Genesis. The best part? It comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. 6 months risk-free. That's plenty of time to see the difference. But, and this is important, only order from the official website. You'll avoid counterfeits and get the full guarantee. I'll drop the link in the description below for you. Check it out for yourself today. That's my story. If it gave you a laugh and a little hope, then I've done my job today. Life's too short to let your joints run the show. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Until next time. Stay moving, stay smiling, and maybe even try that cha-cha again, minus the snap, crackle, and pop.